Secret trading strategy number 1 for Forex success in 2023, guaranteed 100% profits, even for beginners. Take a moment to watch our tutorial videos and simple presentations to learn more about how our indicators can help you achieve your trading goals. If you are open-minded and want to find valuable tips, feel free to try our indicator yourself with a free trial download. See how our proven and tested tools make a difference in your Forex trading strategy. Step forward as a great beginner in Forex trading with the Prime Mastermind 2023 Expert Tool. Are you new to the Forex trading industry and tired of sifting through basic information and subjective opinions? Look no further. Our expert-created tools provide a fast and practical solution to help you achieve your goals and become a master in the Forex market. Get started on the path to success today. Do you want to take your Forex trading to the next level? Do you want to take your Forex trading to the next level? Our unique indicator provides multifunctional analysis for long-term, short-term, and scalping strategies, along with early warnings of trend and reversal emergence. Become your own indicator and trade with confidence and safety. Get real-time, practical information all in one place, no need to sift through endless general theories. Our product provides a clear, professional representation of all the support information you need for your decision-making. Experience the benefits of a single indicator with dozens of strategic functions, all for a fraction of the cost. As a professional trader, you need access to accurate and reliable information in real time. And you don't want to waste your time wading through general theories information. That's why we've created a product that brings all the support information you need right to your screen. Based on what you see is what you get principle. Perfect for both expert traders and newcomers, our indicator covers dozens of strategic functions, giving you a single solution to maximize your Forex trading success. Step forward as a great beginner in Forex trading with the Prime Mastermind 2023 Expert Tool.